Welcome to DRIPP News. Tonight we have breaking news that could reshape the regulatory landscape of digital assets. Reports are emerging that Robinhood's chief legal officer, Gallagher, is being considered to replace SEC Chair Gary Gensler. This potential change hinges on the outcome of the upcoming US presidential election. If Donald Trump secures a victory, we could see a significant shift in the regulatory approach to cryptocurrency. Gallagher, with his extensive history at the SEC, expressed his honor at being considered for the role. In a recent interview with CNBC, he highlighted his dedication to ensuring the US remains at the forefront of financial innovation. His appointment could mark a major change in how digital assets are regulated. This speculation comes as Trump amplifies his pro-crypto rhetoric, contrasting sharply with his previous skepticism. He has criticized the Biden administration's stringent regulatory measures and advocates for a more open-minded approach to digital assets. Trump has even stated that the US should strive to be a leader in the cryptocurrency sector. Gary Gensler, currently leading the SEC, is seen as a stringent regulator of the crypto market. His policies have faced criticism from many within the industry who view them as overly restrictive. The possibility of a leadership change at the SEC is fueling optimism among crypto investors and advocates. Fox journalist Eleanor Terrett has highlighted the potential implications for Gensler's tenure if Trump takes office again. While Gensler could continue his term until June 2026 under a Biden administration, a Trump victory might force a premature departure, reflecting the political nature of SEC appointments. Nate Gerasi, president of ETF Store, noted on social media the significance of Gallagher's previous experience as an SEC commissioner. This background positions him as a strong candidate to lead the SEC in a direction more favorable to the crypto industry under a Trump administration. In other news, Robinhood Crypto LLC, the crypto arm of Robinhood, recently faced scrutiny from the SEC with allegations of securities laws violations. Robinhood has pushed back, maintaining that their crypto offerings are not securities, a stance that has garnered both support and criticism from various quarters. As these continue to unfold, the potential impact on the regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies remains a hot topic. Thank you for tuning in to DRIPP News. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest news in the world of cryptocurrency.